Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Abel from Revamp Fit, and today we have a great workout for you. It's a beginner's workout and it's a follow along workout, all right? So from warm up to cool down, I'm gonna take you through all of that, all right? And this is something that you can do for multiple sets, so let's get right to it, all right? First thing we wanna do is warm up. So for the warm ups, we're gonna practice just doing some high knees, loosening up our legs. So we're gonna practice just doing one knee at a time, driving forward. And we're gonna do a short version of the warm-up. If you wanna check a great warm-up routine you can always check at the link we're gonna provide above. All right, from here, we're gonna practice doing some glute kicks. So we're gonna practice bringing one leg back at a time. You can have your hands behind if you want some target. Good. All right, guys, let's do some twisting. So let's twist left and right. Go at your pace. You can do this with your arms straight or with your arms bent. Totally up to you. Good. All right, now we're gonna go down and up. So we're gonna go down, we're gonna reach up. Go down, reach up, good. So we have to make sure we loosen up the posterior chain, our lower back, and our arms. So keep going. Good, now we're gonna go side to side, okay? So this is a good way to get the sides involved and loosened up. So we're gonna go one side and the other side. One side and the other side. One side and the other. Good. Keep going. Good, all right. Shake your arms out. Now we're gonna warm up our chest and our arms, okay? And the way we're gonna do that is we're gonna have our arms all the way back, squeezing our rotator cuff muscles and our upper back muscles. And we're gonna come in and we're gonna do like a hug, like a self hug. Back out. And then we're gonna alternate which arm goes on top. Okay? So back and forth. Squeezing at the end point. So squeeze when you return, squeeze when you come back. Good. All right, shake your arms out. All right, the next one is really specific on the shoulders. All right, and we're gonna do different thumb positioning just so that you can get different areas of your shoulder, all right? So first one, we're gonna have our arms extended out. So let's all do that, follow me. And from here, with your thumbs forward, we're gonna do 3 small circles going forward. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna go back. 1, 2, 3, good. Now your thumb is gonna go forward like this, all right? And we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna go back. 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna go thumb all the way back. So this is a good posture exercise right here. Now we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and backwards. 1, 2, 3. Good. Last but not least, now we're gonna bring our thumbs down as much as you can, and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna go back. 1, 2, 3, good. All right, shake your arms out. I'm sure you felt it in your traps and shoulders. We have one more. Now we're gonna loosen up our upper neck muscles, all right? So we're gonna do some circles. We're gonna have our head going in a clockwise motion first and loosen up our deep neck muscles. If you have tightness, you can hold it maybe for a second or two and keep going. Good. Good, now we're gonna go the opposite way. Good, all right guys. So from bottom to top, we finished our warm up, so let's get right to our circuit. First exercise we have is our rotate toe taps, okay? So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna have our legs about shoulder width apart, all right? And we're gonna have our hands up, and we're gonna practice rotating down towards that foot, come up, rotate and down towards that foot too. So it's super important to bend your hips. If you can't go down all the way to your toes, reach for your knee or your shin. If you can go down to your toes without any knee pain or hip pain, also do that as well. Okay? Great job, guys. Keep going. We're gonna keep doing this for another 30 more seconds. Good. Gotta rotate that torso. All right, great job, guys. Way to go. That was the first move. Next move we have is our mini reverse lunges, okay? So you get to determine how far you wanna go down, but this is what it is. So don't do it yet. I'm gonna show you, okay? So hands out for balance. We're going back and forth, all right? And what you're gonna do is, if you wanna focus on strength a little bit more, you can go lower. You can always bend your knee, as long as your front leg has your knees behind your toes, okay? So you can bend down with your knees or practice just doing the lunges without bending your knee. All right, so we're gonna get started now. And go. Way to go. Pay attention to your breathing. If your arms get tired, you can have it down. Good job. Like I said, if you want to bend your knees down even lower, you can. Totally up to you. You can make it as hard as you want or as easy as you want, okay? All right, guys, now it's time to get the heart rate going, okay? We're gonna go in and out with our fast feet, okay? So I'm gonna show you the coordination first. So we're gonna go out, out, in, out, out, in, okay? If you wanna make it harder, you can practice going a little bit faster, and you can always bend down a little bit lower too, okay? So you can pick up some speed. If you wanna go, you can go as fast as you can, or you can just practice going side to side. All right, so we got that for 20 more seconds. Good. All right, great job, guys. Our next move, we have some half chops. So we're gonna rotate. This is a great functional strength. All right, strength exercise. We're gonna have our hands up, and what we're gonna do is, with our feet about shoulder width apart, we're gonna rotate the torso, and we're gonna bend down to the side. So either the knee or the foot. So you can go down as low as you want, rotate, very important, and down. Okay, so if you wanna focus on core, you can practice doing this with your feet locked, or you can practice pivoting, kind of like this. Pivoting that back foot to work on more endurance, okay? So pivoting or having your legs locked if you just want to work on your core, all right? So we got this for 20 more seconds. Good job. All right, guys, our next exercise, we're gonna do them in a laying position. So make sure you have your yoga mat or something comfortable to lay on. All right, so we have our hip thrusts. This is a great exercise to strengthen your glutes and your lower back, okay? So we're gonna have our feet about shoulder width apart and our knees slightly bent. So you don't wanna be too close in or too far forward. So from here, we're gonna have our hands down, and for 1 minute, we're gonna practice thrusting up, squeezing the glute, and coming down, all right? Have your hands below your lower back if you need to. And we're gonna practice coming down and shooting up. All right? I like to pick my toes up just so I can make sure I'm getting the best out of my glutes. All right, so keep going. Thrust, back down. Thrust, good. Good job, guys. Off of the posterior chain. Good. 10 more seconds. All right, great job, guys. So you should have felt a lot of that in your glutes. All right, next up, guys, we have what's called a bird dog. This is a great exercise to lengthen your spine and to also make sure that you're using your body as properly as possible, okay? So we're gonna have our opposite hand and our opposite leg extend. So this is what it looks like. Opposite hand, opposite leg extend, and you're squeezing your glute. All right, and you're gonna come up, and then you're gonna switch sides, okay? And I'm gonna give you guys a challenge at the end. For now, let's get started. Let's go. Extend, palms neutral. Good. Palms neutral. Good. Good. Squeeze the glute. Push your hands out. They should both be on the same level. Opposite hand and opposite foot. Great exercise for your core as well. Got 30 more seconds. Good. Keep going, guys. I like to breathe out every time I extend. Good. All right. The next one, I want you guys to hold it for 10 seconds. Extend and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good. Now the other side. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good job. All right, guys, shake your arms out. We have one more exercise we're gonna get right to, okay? So we have a high plank for 30 seconds, all right? So for a plank, we're gonna have our hand under our shoulder like this, our hips up. So things that we don't wanna do. We don't wanna have our hips down right here. That's hurtful for your lower back. And we don't want them too high up because then that's gonna be hurtful for your shoulders, okay? So we wanna come right here as straight as we can, and let's start holding it for 30 seconds, all right? If you need to drop your knees at any point, you can. We're just gonna keep holding this. All right, you guys got it. Keep pushing. Got 15 more seconds. You guys got it. All right. All right, guys, terrific. Way to go. That was a full set of the exercises. I'm gonna take you through a quick little stretching routine, but like I said, if you wanna do this for another round, the more the merrier, right? So rewind back, do the same thing for maybe a second or third round. If you wanna stretch with me right now, you can definitely do that too. So first stretch we're gonna do, guys, both feet together. We're gonna push our hips back and we're gonna reach down, okay? Good. We're gonna come up. Now we're gonna stretch the front side of our legs. And remember, you can use a wall, maybe a bench or anything like that to hold your balance up. All right, but what we're gonna do is a quad stretch. If you have some balance issues, definitely hold on to something. And if you can't grab onto your ankle, you can always place it on a bench or maybe just hold it like this without grabbing anything, okay? So a few more seconds. If you lose your balance, it's okay. Just get it right back. Good. Now the other leg. Good. Now we're gonna do a side bend, okay? So we're gonna come right here and we're gonna side bend to one side. And these are all really short stretches that I'm showing you. If you want a longer one, you can always find it in our channel, right? Under the title, nighttime or post-workout stretches, okay? All right, now the other side. All right, guys, now we gotta stretch our shoulders. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have our fingers, our fingertips on our lower back like this, and we're gonna press our elbows forward. This feels really good for the shoulders. It opens it up, and we're just gonna try to relax our arms as much as we can. Good, all right, guys. One more stretch. Now we're gonna change it up. Now we're gonna stretch just the chest and the pec major and minor, okay? We're gonna have our hands on our lower back right over here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring our elbows down, and we're gonna try to bring our elbows together, okay? Elbows down, elbows together. And from here, we're gonna bring our chest up and our chin up. So you should really be feeling that on your chest and your shoulders. It's a good stretch for your posture too. So we'll hold it for 10 more seconds. All right, guys, there you have it. That's a full comprehensive beginner's workout. Like I said, you could do this for maybe a round or two, right? And then stretch just like how we stretch right now. So thank you guys for tuning in. Please like and subscribe for future content, and we'll see you guys soon.